dude. He don't know how to feign death.
I'm just not survival anymore, so I can't do it.
Okay, here we go.
No, you got to do it a little. Just
quicker?
come back off the wall just a little bit, and then
Okay.
What's this do?
it'll
Despawn.
whatever ad he hits will despawn. So we only have to fight the actual boss.
Huh.
Okay, here we go.
The shadow gonna fall.
See, there's one. You can step up. You'll do it to the next one, the snake, and then you'll come around to the other side to do the other two.
What the fuck? Why have we not been doing this, guys?
I'm blaming PB.
It's
I'm
like
I'm specking back to survival, guys. Fuck this.
Cool. I'll go BM.
I usually
No,
do
not allowed.
for our guild ZA because it's just quicker.
No, it's a nice trick.
By the way, we're all banned for exploiting.
Yep.
It's been going on since ZA's popped out. Okay, you're good. Now you'll come to the other side, do it to those two, and it's just him we have to worry about.
Side note, what about my cleave?
Makes it easier when we don't have CC.
The shadow gonna fall on you.
All right,
Yeah.
the last one, and then we can one-shot the boss.
Hell yeah.
20 seconds. Make sure our boss drop and shit like that.
You're not my dad.
Yeah, we usually do it with 2 survival hunters. That way we can pull both at the same time.
Oh, that would be handy.
Side note, where do you find 2 survival hunters?
I only went Beastmaster because one of our other hunters wanted to try
The
survival.
shadow gonna fall on you.
Okay, we're ready. What's on tanks now? That's dope.
Yeah.
Buffs.
I'm
Everything looks
shocked.
good.
I'm shocked that you succeeded.
Wait, you thought I'd fuck it up?
You
What?
fuck yeah, I did, dude.
Pleasantly
Can you
shocked.
turn pack off? I don't fuck up. I only fuck down.
Fuck with your socks on.
Okay, Stoned. It's on you. I'm gonna MD you.
One sec.